let's look how Marts and Dana will show us same waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. And now let's look at same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with preparation step and dance natural pivot turn, which is first 3 steps of natural turn, then natural pivot, then running spin turn, which is natural turn, pivot and open natural turn. We continue with outside change to promenade position. From promenade we dance quick open reverse turn and continue with tumble turn, which is feather finish and reverse pivot, and then throwaway oversway. We dance 2 bars and we finish here. You could continue with hover to promenade and etc. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. We start with preparation step and move diagonally to wall. Continue with natural pivot turn. We move diagonally to wall. Pivot itself moves down line of dance. We continue with running spin turn around the corner. From here we continue diagonally to center with outside change to promenade position. We continue diagonally to center with quick open reverse turn, then down line of dance, tumble turn, and also down line of dance with throwaway oversway. We change sway and rotation here. And we can finish this figure in promenade position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.